Hello, everyone! Welcome to FS101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Orange Level Unit 14. We will study 12 new vocabulary words together. The words are absolute, arena, complement, deliberate, dense, dominant, hazardous, huddle, necessity, offend, regain, and thorough. Let's read, think, and grow together. Let's get started. Our first word is absolute. Say it with me, absolute. Absolute is an adjective. It means without flaws or imperfections, without limits or without doubt. For example, the witness swore to tell the absolute truth. Another example is, she has absolute trust in her best friend. Some synonyms are pure, perfect, entire, complete, unlimited, certain, and sure. Some antonyms are flawed, limited, incomplete, restricted, and uncertain. What does absolute truth mean? Can anything be absolutely perfect? Our next word is arena. Say it with me, arena. Arena is a noun. It means an enclosed space used for sports or shows. It can also mean a field of interest, activity, conflict, or debate. For example, the basketball team ran into the arena. Another example is, the senator has been in the political arena for many years. Some synonyms are stadium, theater, auditorium, field, and scene. What events happen in an arena? What is your favorite sports arena or performance stage? Our next word is complement. Say it with me, complement. Complement can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, compliment means a remark or action that shows admiration, praise, or approval. As a verb, compliment means to give praise or admiration to someone. For example, everyone likes to receive a compliment. Another example is, the losing team compliments the winners on their victory. Some synonyms are congratulations, regards, flatter, applaud, and salute. Some antonyms are blame, criticism, insult, denounce, and criticize. What is a compliment you have given someone? How do compliments make people feel? Our next word is deliberate. Say it with me, deliberate. Deliberate can be a verb and an adjective. As a verb, deliberate means to think about or discuss very carefully. As an adjective, deliberate means done on purpose, careful, or at a slow pace. For example, a jury may deliberate for days before reaching a verdict. Another example is, a person may tell a deliberate lie to avoid blame. Some synonyms are consider, debate, weigh, intentional, thoughtful, and purposeful. Some antonyms are unwitting, impulsive, careless, haphazard, hasty, and hurried. Why is it important to deliberate before making a big choice? What is a deliberate action? Our next word is dense. Say it with me, dense. Dense is an adjective. It means close or packed together. Thick or crowded. It can also mean slow to understand, but we should use that meaning carefully and politely. For example, a dense crowd blocked the entrance to the building. Another example is, the forest was so dense that little sunlight came through. Some synonyms are compact, solid, crowded, dull-witted, and thick-headed. Some antonyms are sparse, open, scattered, thin, alert, clever, and smart. What does a dense forest look like? Which meaning of dense is used more often in science? Our next word is dominant. Say it with me, dominant. Dominant is an adjective. It means above all others, leading or controlling or having the most power. For example, the president is usually the dominant figure in his or her political party. Another example is, blue is the dominant color in the painting. Some synonyms are chief, main, first, foremost, and commanding. Some antonyms are inferior, secondary, humble, and modest. What does it mean to be dominant? Can a color, animal, or idea be dominant? Our next word is hazardous. Say it with me, hazardous. Hazardous is an adjective. It means involving risk or danger. For example, special containers are used for disposing of hazardous waste. Another example is, walking on thin ice can be hazardous. Some synonyms are dangerous, perilous, risky, and unsafe. Some antonyms are safe, certain, and secure. What things can be hazardous? How can we stay safe around hazardous materials? Our next word is huddle. Say it with me, huddle. Huddle can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, huddle means to crowd close together, to form a closely packed group, or to get together to discuss something. As a noun, huddle means a tightly packed group or a quick meeting. For example, campers may huddle around a fire on a cold night. Another example is, the coaches held a brief huddle on the sidelines. Some synonyms are bunch, cluster, gather, and conference. Some antonyms are scatter and separate. Why do people huddle together? When do teams use a huddle? Our next word is necessity. Say it with me, necessity. Necessity is a noun. It means something that cannot be avoided or done without, or a great need. For example, water is a necessity for life. Another example is, a backpack is a necessity for school. Some synonyms are requirement, essential, must, and want. Some antonyms are option, extra, and luxury. What are 3 necessities you bring to school? Why is water a necessity? Our next word is offend. Say it with me, offend. Offend is a verb. It means to break a law or rule or to cause hurt feelings, anger, or injury. For example, thoughtless behavior will offend most people. Another example is, it is wrong to offend a friend with rude words. Some synonyms are embarrass, displease, insult, upset, irritate, annoy, and wound. Some antonyms are please, charm, and soothe. What kinds of words can offend people? How can we speak kindly? Our next word is regain. Say it with me, regain. Regain is a verb. It means to get back or to reach again. For example, it takes time to regain your strength after an illness. Another example is, she worked hard to regain her confidence. One synonym is recover. Some antonyms are lose and forfeit. What can people regain after hard work? How do you regain energy when you feel tired? Our last word is thorough. Say it with me, thorough. Thorough is an adjective. It means carried out to completion, complete in every detail, or extremely careful and exact. For example, the dentist gave me a thorough checkup. Another example is, she did a thorough job on her science project. Some synonyms are exhaustive, extensive, total, and full. Some antonyms are incomplete, partial, limited, unfinished, cursory, and inadequate. What does it mean to do a thorough job? Why is a thorough checkup important? Great job today. You learned 12 new vocabulary words in Orange Level Unit 14. Let's read them one more time. Absolute, arena, complement, deliberate, dense, dominant, hazardous, huddle, necessity, offend, regain, and thorough. Keep practicing these words so you can understand them, remember them, and use them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next unit. Bye.